The Dodge Demon 2025 is here, redefining the muscle car world with unmatched performance and raw power. Dodge has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the previous Demon and pushed it even further, creating a machine that dominates both the strip and the street. Under the hood, the Demon 2025 is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI-V engine, delivering an astonishing 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque when running on high-octane fuel. This beast accelerates from 0 to 60 in a jaw-dropping 1.66 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars in the world. The quarter-mile time, just 8.91 seconds at 151 miles per hour, certified by the NHRA. Dodge claims this is the ultimate factory-built drag racer, and it's hard to argue with numbers like these. To handle all that power, the Demon 2025 features an upgraded 8-speed automatic transmission, a reinforced driveline, and specially designed drag radial tires. Dodge has also equipped the car with advanced launch control and torque reserve systems to ensure consistent performance on the track. The exterior design screams aggression, with a wide-body stance, flared fenders, and lightweight carbon fiber components. Inside, the cabin is focused on the driver with a minimalist design, racing seats, and performance-focused displays. As for pricing, the Demon 2025 starts at $120,000, but that's just the base. Adding optional packages like the carbon fiber wheels or upgraded interior features can push the price even higher. Limited production means that getting your hands on one will be a challenge, and demand is already through the roof. The Dodge Demon 2025 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A bold reminder that muscle cars are alive and, well, built for those who crave adrenaline and power.